In a bustling town, nestled among verdant hills, lived a humble silkworm named Silvia. She was known far and wide for her ability to spin the finest silk. One day, a clever inventor named Cletus came to town. He had created a machine that could spin silk faster and with greater efficiency than Silvia. The townspeople were amazed, and soon everyone wanted to use this new machine. Silvia, feeling threatened, approached Cletus. "What will happen to me now?" she asked. Cletus, seeing her concern, told her, "Fear not, dear Silvia. This machine will not replace you. Instead, it will help you spin more silk and reach more people." Silvia, though hesitant at first, decided to give it a try. She worked alongside the machine, and together, they spun more silk than ever before. People from far and wide came to buy her silk, and she became wealthier than she had ever been. One day, a wise old owl named Orion visited Silvia. He had heard of her success and wanted to learn from her. Silvia shared her story and told him about the machine. "Do not fear change, young one," Orion said. "Embrace it, for it often brings growth." Orion's words resonated with Silvia. She realized that change was not something to be feared, but something to be embraced. From that day forward, Silvia continued to spin her silk, but now, she did so with a newfound appreciation for the world around her. Moral: embrace change, for it often brings growth and opportunities that we could not have imagined.